Hey, this sheep trying to come after me. I think he got Ebola. You trying to get that to me, sheep? You trying to give me Ebola, sheep? That is not gonna happen, buddy. That is not going to happen. I think you're the one passing it around, right? Right? You're not gonna catch me. My brother, tell him there's no Ebola in Ghana. Man, I've been going to village after village. Been going to so many different regions, and nobody can tell me anybody that got Ebola. Do you know anybody that got Ebola? Oh my God. Somebody in Ghana, somebody in West Africa gotta have this. Maybe in the wrong country. Hey, buddy. You guys haven't. I'm surprised, man. I think he's probably coming down with it.
I think you can find Ebola map so we can buy one. For the Ebola.
We're trying to find people who got Ebola so I can catch it. I want to get Ebola. Somebody, please give it to me.
You need Ebola?
Give it to me. Oh,
I'm gonna give you Ebola.
I got it. Oh. Come on, family. Somebody give it to me. I'm trying to get Ebola. Everybody keep on telling me there's no Ebola. I'm confused. Why they keep on saying that on the news in America? Family, come to Africa, reconnect to your roots. There's no Ebola in Ghana, and the Ebola hoax, outbreak or whatever these demons, devils, evil people want to say, it does not exist.
That's the Ebola man.
Oh, let me go get it. Give it to me. Oh,
Who asked me?
I got
Who
it.
asked me?
I got it. See, I'm touching him.
Ebola.
I'm hugging him. He's gonna give me Ebola. I got it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it one way or another. Maybe this lady will give it to me if I touch her. Can you give me some Ebola?
I need Ebola.
Somebody give it to me. Give it to me. Somebody give it to me. Nobody want to give it to me. See? Family is safe. Come to Ghana, reconnect to your roots. This is one of my favorite places in the world. I mean, when we talk about stamps, look at this Obama stamp right here. Maybe this chicken's got Ebola. Hey, chicken, why don't you peck me and give me Ebola, chicken? Come here. You don't want it? Everybody's running from me. Nobody want to give me Ebola. Maybe because I live around the Atlanta area, everybody's running from me. Maybe they think I got it. I don't know. But I guess if anybody should have it on this trip, it should be me. I've been driving by Emory almost every day for the last 30 days. Ebola-free village. I say you still can't find anybody with Ebola, right? You don't find, do you know if anybody's sneezing or vomiting? I think they say those are the symptoms, right? So maybe if we find somebody, we can report it. Come on. Oh, let's see. Ebola, are you in there? Ebola, come out and give it to us. How's the journey been so far? Well, I'm having the best time. It's my 9th time to Ghana, Brian, and it gets better. It's getting better. Hello, little ones. How are you? Why don't you give me Ebola so I can give it to my son in America? Come on, give it to me. Ah, yeah. All right. Yay. Our beautiful Ebola-free children.